Alright, so it's not the sprinkler.
No.
Got the sprinkler box over there. Got two trees, these ones and that one. Yeah.
Verga, Francis, aquí todo lo que está botando, weón, aquí. Y es un codo que está ahí.
Alright, it's nighttime. So we dug already. Yeah, we see the leak. So yeah, pretty crazy out here at nighttime.
Please wait. Stay at command.
Alright, so there goes the pipe right there. He just dug it out.
Llama ahí al Francis ahí. De aire acondicionado. AC. AC. Lo del aire acondicionado, lo de H. Necesito el otro mío.
So he's gonna turn it on. Got it in.
Yeah, vamos a esperar unos
And we're gonna wait a little bit.
10 minutos que te metes.
Alright, now he's gonna turn it on over there. Slowly but surely. Then we're gonna see if there's any leaks here. Try and clean up the driveway a little bit, but we're gonna rinse it off. Alright, so he's gonna get the key is over there. Still out here at nighttime. Got my Christmas lights. Alright, you got the water on slowly but surely. What's going on, boss?
You tell me, how are they doing? How is it going?
It's going. We got the pipe in.
You found the leak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
How's Eric doing?
Besides the stress, I think he's doing all right from the pipe.
It's just a bad time for him. And I left here 5 hours ago and everything was going on. Didn't know what was going on, so. All right.
Yeah.
You got him in good hands, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
cool.
sir. Amen to that.
Yeah, amen. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Have a blessed night, sir. God bless to you.
Well.
Alright, so he got the water over there. That's what he's doing over there. So everything looks good so far. So we'll probably leave the hole open just to make sure there's nothing else over here or anything. So we'll leave the hole open overnight. I'll probably tell him put some cones around here. So yeah. ¿Cómo se desarrolla? Alright, I think we're good. So he's gonna open it up a little bit more. He only has it halfway. Just don't want to put all, obviously you don't want to put all the pressure in there. But yeah, this is I would say this one was a nice fun one. I'm glad the guys, they did a great job. So yeah, pretty interesting. ¿Quién viene, patrón?
Háblame.
No, estamos aquí.
Sí, él está todavía votando.
Nosotros estamos durmiendo. Ya vine, ok, el trabajo va a empezar.
Está todo bien, tío.